Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Amul Cheese Slice A plus review and demo. So let's get started. This one is a pack of 10 slices with a MRP of 181, but we get it from Amazon for 116 only. The shelf life is 9 months, but once you open the pack, it need to be consumed within 30 days and this should always be stored in the refrigerator. It's nowhere mentioned on the pack whether it's a cow milk cheese or not. And this 10 slices pack, so meaning each slice is 20 gram. It's a processed cheese, so we can use it directly, and one slice will give you 3.6 gram of protein. And today I'm gonna make a cheese paratha with this, and my cheese paratha puffs up really well. The cheese melts so nicely, and the taste of this cheese is milky, cheesy, rich and dense, not at all chewy. So this is the cheese which melt in your mouth, and this cheese works great for grill, sandwiches, pasta and burger. Overall a great product. You should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.